hands down, one of our best sellers, guys. Oh my goodness. We'll have to keep this one going. 8 top, 8 bottom. Gold Grillz is going bananas on the net. 897, just that magic number. Something about that number. Goodness gracious, we are going up with these. And I thank you guys for all supporting us, man. Look at the beauty of just flat out plain gold. So I got a lot of my clients that purchase diamond grills. They're like, man, I actually want a gold one now. Because it's just a different look, and it's such a beautiful, it's just so invigorating. It's just draws you in, especially when you do them like Seattle Gold Grillz, where they actually look like your teeth. I know a lot of people, this is why these things are so popular. A lot of people are so proud of their teeth. It's one of the most personable things, teeth. It's the first thing you see when you look at someone, and it's also we're just the most proud about our teeth, especially those that have all their teeth. So we get a lot of customers who are looking to cover up missing teeth. Get a lot of customers who are looking to cover up gap teeth, you know, crooked teeth. As you can see, straight teeth or crooked teeth look good. I thank you guys once again for tapping into the channel, for commenting, for leaving good messages. You know, we still have, you know, a few bad people out there, but that's just how it is, guys. It's business. And we appreciate everyone, no matter what. Definitely look at the gum lines on this one. Oh my goodness. Sorry, you guys, because I know every time I do one of these videos, it's like looking at candy. I'm just making you guys want a grill so bad. I get that all the time. Like, oh my goodness, I've been watching your channel forever. Look at these gloves. These gloves are awesome. I can clean off your grills with my gloves and not touch them. You see that? It's almost like a polishing cloth. People gonna be asking me, hey, where do I get those gloves at? You know me. Thank you guys, man, for all the love, though. Once again, this is Seattle Gold Grillz channel. You are Seattle Gold Grillz family. So once again, if you tap into our live videos, you got deals coming. If you subscribe to our page, and it's a fan subscribe, it's like $5 a month. You got deals that no one else has coming. You have videos that no one else coming. You have access that no one else has. So I want to thank you guys for that have joined. Once again, thank you for all the affiliates that are now pushing the website, helping us get those extra sales so they can get those extra commissions. I want to thank you guys as well, because you guys are amazing. Once again, screenshot that if you've never seen anything amazing like that put together. That is just flat out gold. And this is 10K gold, guys. As you go up, 14K, 18K, 22K, it's more expensive because you have more gold content being added to that gold. But as you can see, 10K looks great. Just as good as any other ones. But I really appreciate you guys for all the love and support. And I hope you guys have a blessed week. Stay positive, stay blessed, y'all. 206-250-0833, business line. SeattleGoldGrills.com is the website. Y'all have a blessed week. All right now, peace.